are the numbers 108, 1008, the sun, and the moon mathematical proof that God exists? If you're vaguely familiar with Hinduism, you know that the number 108 is a very significant number in Hinduism, but also 1008 is very significant. The distance between the Earth and the moon is 108 times the width of the moon. And the distance between the Earth and the sun is 108 times the width of the sun. Okay? This is not a coincidence. This has nothing to do with the laws of physics, okay? Because if you understand, things like gravitational points, they're based on mass and density. And the density of the moon compared to the density of the sun is actually completely different. And that's because the moon is a rock in the sky and the sun is a big ball of fire. So they have different densities. So the fact that this 108 comes into play is crazy. The sun is 400 times larger than the moon, and they have completely different density. The moon is 3.34 grams per cubic centimeter, and the sun is only 1.4 grams per cubic centimeter. That means the moon is over twice the density of the sun. The really interesting thing is that these are two very highly divisible numbers. If you're into numbers such as me, you might realize off the bat that they're both divisible by 9, because if you add up the sum of their integers, you get the number 9. So they're both divisible by 9, obviously. And you can also tell, obviously, that they're even numbers. Most people can at least grasp that. However, they're really beyond this. They're very highly divisible. So 108 is 3 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 2 times 1 to the power of 1. Obviously 1 to the power of 1 is 1, but it's fun to say it like that. 3 to the power of 3 is 27, 2 to the power of 2 is 4, and so 27 times 4 is 108. But what is really striking is that 1008 is also very highly divisible. 1008 is 2 to the 4th times 3 to the 2nd times 7, which is crazy. 2 to the 4th is 16, 3 to the 2nd is 9, and then you just throw in that number 7 there, and if you're into numbers, you might have a special place in your heart for the number 7, as I do.